What was the language in your home, or languages in each of your homes growing up?
You want to go
My
first?
my home, my father did not allow a word of English in the house. It was a Yiddish sanctuary. And I was comfortable because I love Yiddish and it's the language my first tongue. So it's Mama Lashon.
And in my house, Yiddish was the language too. And yeah, we spoke Yiddish in the house and English outside. My mother was very flexible. My father wasn't. She could roll with anything. My father was very square. He had to have things a certain way. Yiddish. That's nicht Yiddish. Like that.
And
Later on, when we mingled families, he got over that. Yeah.
And what kind of Yiddish culture was around?
Yiddish newspapers, occasionally the Freiheit, but the forward was top.
How about the
And der
Tog?
Tog, and Yiddish journals and Yiddish books. And, my father was really if he had grown up in this country, he probably would have been a professor of Yiddish or something.
Yeah, mine was the same. Although they didn't resent English as much in my house, because my brother and I were both involved in hobbies which required English, like radio and ham radio and airplanes and what all. They were pretty strict about it. We spoke only Yiddish in the house.
Which papers did you get?
We got the Tug and the Vorwärts and the Freiheit. That's the three that we get. And we both learned to read Yiddish. We're kind of fluent. She's more fluent than I am. I forgot half of it.